Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm sharing another Halloween project for 2020. If you've been watching my channel, you know that, like many of us, I have way too many craft supplies. So I'm trying to use up some of my crafting stash and reduce how much I buy. I've been doing pretty good so far this year, but now we're coming up to our holiday crafting, and for me, Halloween is a big part of that. So I pulled out my Halloween stash storage bin, and no, this does not include the paper pack stamps or dies. First thing though that I saw when I opened it up were these cute shaker pumpkins. I think this may have been the last project that I made last year before packing everything up, and I even recorded a video that never made it to my channel. So I'll share them with you here today. To cut out all the parts, I used two die sets from Fawn, the outside-in stitched pumpkin die set and the stitched pumpkin frame die set. I pre-cut all of the pieces. The frames and backings are cut from a Michael's Halloween paper pack. The clear windows are cut from some transparency film using the die from the outside-in stitched pumpkin die set. Both of the die sets have leaves and stems, and I cut those from some soft green cardstock. I'm also using a piece of a leaf ribbon for some added greenery. I adhered the stem and leaves to the pumpkin using art glitter glue. Then I decided that the leaves needed a little more dimension, so I inked up the edges with some antique linen distress ink. This dimensional shaker frame, I used the frame die set and some thick black foam. Now you could use layers of just double-sided foam, or you could do layers of of cardstock to create that dimension, but this thick foam worked absolutely perfect. Next, I'll put together my shaker mix. I took some different Halloween confetti and mixed it together in a Halloween cup from Dollar Tree. I really had the Halloween vibe going on. Some of the confetti was from Dollar Tree or Party City, not sure which, and these cute bottles are from Joann's. I really hope that they bring them back this year. I took one of the back panels and rubbed it down with a dryer sheet. This is to help reduce static clink so the confetti will shake instead of sticking to the sides. I don't recall where I saw this idea, and I completely forgot about it until I was editing this video. Based on how well the shakers still shake after almost a year, I'd say that it works. I'm using some thin double-sided adhesive on the narrow frame of the pumpkin. I'm using this instead of liquid glue because it doesn't need any drying time. Every time I do this step with liquid adhesive, I don't give it enough time, and then some of the shaker bits come out, and I have to redo these last steps. After burnishing the tape down, I'll add the shaker bits to the wells that I created in the pumpkin. Now is to remove the release paper and put the back of the pumpkin in place. Isn't that shaker pumpkin just too cute? And I can use it on so many Halloween projects, from cards to tags to gift bag toppers. I think I used some of these on a couple of paper cauldrons that I made as gifts last year. They're just too fun. I hope you're inspired to get going on your Halloween crafting, and I would love to see what you create. So come join my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie, and show us your creations. I've left a link down in the description box below. Oh, and if you make anything using ideas from one of my Halloween videos, please post a pic and tag me at hashtag DebbieJ's Crafting Corner and at hashtag DJCC Halloween 2020. You can also see all of my Halloween videos for 2020 by clicking on that hashtag in the video title. Here are some other videos that you may be interested in. Thank you so much for dropping by, and remember, if I can make it, you can too.